Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, app, and hardware. Sign in with your Microsoft or work account, enter your password, and complete any multi-factor prompts. Once signed in, grant teams access to your microphone and camera so calls and meetings work. Make sure to choose the correct device in settings. This prevents dead audio during your first test call. If you're on a managed device, allow Teams through your firewall. Now you're ready to create or join a team. Once in the app, click Join or Create a Team and pick the path you need. If you join with a code, paste it and accept. If you browse, request access or join public teams. To create a team, choose Create Team, pick Private or Public, then name it and add an optional description so people know its purpose. Add members by email addresses and assign owners. Create channels for projects or topics. This keeps chats, files, and meetings organized and easy to find. To finish, schedule your meeting in Calendar, add participants, and paste a clear agenda into the details. Before the event, run a quick test meeting. Check camera framing, microphone levels, and speaker output, and switch devices if needed. Once done, share meeting notes and relevant files in the channel or chat so everyone has access. If something breaks, try signing out, reinstalling the app, or clearing the team's cache. If those fail, contact your IT admin to check tenant policy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.